Welcome to the topic on form validation and error handling. Forms play a crucial role in web applications, allowing users to interact and input data. However, ensuring the accuracy and integrity of the data submitted is essential. That's where form validation and error handling come in. In Angular, we have a powerful and flexible system for handling form validation, making it easier to create user-friendly and data integrity-focused forms. 1. Built-in validators. Angular comes with a set of built-in validators that we can use to perform common form validation tasks. These validators allow us to check for required fields, minimum and maximum lengths, valid email formats, and more. By combining these validators, we can create complex and customized validation rules for our forms. 2. Custom validators. In addition to the built-in validators, Angular allows us to create our custom validators to meet specific validation requirements unique to our application. Custom validators are functions that take a form control as an argument and return an object indicating the validation status. This flexibility enables us to implement intricate validation logic tailored to our needs. 3. Handling form errors. When form validation fails, we need to provide appropriate feedback to users. Angular provides a simple way to access form control errors and display meaningful error messages in the template. By using Angular's directives like nangevent class, we can show or hide error messages based on the form control's validity and user interaction status. 4. Disabling the Submit button. To prevent users from submitting a form with invalid input, we can disable the Submit button until the form is in a valid state. Angular provides the disabled attribute, which we can bind to the form's validity using Angular's template expression syntax. Summary: form validation and error handling are crucial for creating user-friendly and data integrity-focused web applications. Angular's built-in validators, custom validators, and error handling mechanisms make it easy to implement and manage form validation with flexibility and precision. In this topic, we explored the use of built-in validators, created custom validators, and handled form errors to provide meaningful feedback to users. In the next chapter, we'll continue exploring advanced Angular concepts, enhancing your skills as an Angular developer.